Okay, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the Nespresso C190 just to show the functionality. Do not have any pods, so we're just going to run it through without the pod. I've already kind of preheated it just a little bit, but you turn it on over here. The light already came on. Usually it takes about 45 seconds to heat up. And you can pull the lever forward for espresso and move it backwards for hot water out of the nozzle there. And this is all manual. It stays going until you shut it off. So, and I'll show the hot water. It takes a second to prime up. And to create steam, there's a button on this side. Push that button and the light changes from green to orange, and it will flash until it's ready. And once it's ready, that means steam. It's hot enough for steam. It actually raises the temperature a few degrees. And whenever you switch back from steam to espresso, it takes a few seconds for the water to cool down. The light will keep flashing green to let you know that it's not ready yet because it's actually cooling down. Now this machine does have a brand new drip pan. You can see it's still got the plastic covering on it. Okay, it looks like the button is solid and it's ready for steam. There you can see the light flashing green just to let you know that it's too warm for espresso. It'll flash like that for a little bit and eventually turn back to solid green. I think it's actually flashing a little faster when it's too hot. I can't really tell myself, but and one thing I did not go through was where the pods, they go right inside there. And whenever you pick that up, it'll actually dump them into the back. And your pods would actually fall into this tray here. Your drip pan here has a little yellow float that rises. As it fills up, it'll rise and eventually come poking through the top there. Yeah. This machine cosmetically is in good shape. The water tank has a few little spots on it. They'd probably clean off a little mild abrasive, but it's real good cosmetic condition, and seems to function just as it should. Thanks for watching.